We have another video for you today where the guys are installing our Extend porch windows into a new construction porch built by First Choice Builders. Let's get to it. Well, there you go, another successful installation completed. As you could see in the video, the guys had to cut back some exterior trim that was overhanging into the openings. We want to make sure that that trim is cut off flush with the rough opening because we fit the windows in there nice and tight. That'll all get covered up by interior trim that the contractor will be doing later. In the installation today, we used some tempered glass fixed panels in the bottom that acts as a guardrail for fall protection. And then our Extend vertical 4-track windows, we had some mulled units that we combined together to fill larger openings. And if you'd like to learn more about the sizing parameters and when we use single windows and double windows or triples, we have another video on the sizing and framing requirements for our porch windows. So check out that video if you have additional questions. We also, in the link below, have our full installation instructions if that would be helpful. Always leave a comment below if you have any other questions or need some additional information. Thanks for checking out our video, and we'll see you on the next one.